Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Gardening is indeed a favorite pastime for us with our busy and concrete lifestyle. Gardening is the only way to keep us connected to Mother Nature. Gardening gives us immense joy as we can see the shrubs and flowers growing right from their tender stage. Feel it completely shoots and lush into their green life. This literally gives us a sense of modernity which the living creators have this planet. Gardening keep our daily life fresh, watering the plants, nurturing them, cleaning them, all give us a sense of freshness and calmness in our mind. A garden can be defined as a piece of property that is structured near or around our house. Different kinds of trees, beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables, and so on are cultivated. People have found of blooming many types of gardens. A flower garden which consists of varieties of beautifully scented flowers. A fruit garden that holds nutritious fruits. A vegetable garden is very much loved by the households as they bear healthy vegetables which are then cooked and included in their meal. And the best example apart from these potential gardens and medicinal herbs garden that cure diseases are also included in the hobby. We love to grow fruits or vegetable garden near our homes as they give us the opportunity to savor the fruit of our hard work in real. These kinds of gardens are known as gardens of the kitchen. Colleges have their own garden in order to work as a learning aid to the students. Gardening gives us an insight into some of the best